Boom! There you have it. Did I scare y'all? Anyways, here she is, the new steering wheel for the Civic. It is from Overdue times So Scared and Volante, I think is how you pronounce them. It's very sick. It's a suede. It's got this purple and red detail with the stars all around as well, front and back. The back, it also has some writing, but in the front it says, "Don't have fear, it is never too late." And then I'm not sure what that says. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not sure what that says. Anyways, in the back it says, "Don't be scared to build something that brings you joy," and "So Scared time overdue" on the bottom. Yeah, that's it. It's a sick ass wheel, quick release. I can't wait to put it on. Oh, sorry for those bad angles. I'm gonna lay her down. Can't wait to put it on. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that now. Oh, one more thing I actually wanted to add. Now, the reason why I went with the quick release style instead of the typical carbon fiber and the leather combo that people do on the 10th gen Civics, I wanted to be a little bit different, which kind of goes with the theme on what it says on the back. Don't be afraid to build something different. So yeah, not a lot of people run the quick releases on those cars, and I just wanted to be different, to be honest. So I went ahead and did that. Anyways, yeah, let's get to the install. Alright guys, so these are actually the NRG quick release and hub setup for the steering wheel. That's the final piece that I needed. So now we could actually get to installing it. I know I said in the last clip we were gonna install it, but I needed this. Now I got it, so we could get that done now. Alright guys, so I just got to my friend's house, to my homie's house, to replace the steering wheel. We already disconnected the battery. Now we got to go ahead and use one of these torque screws, I think is what they're called, to remove the bolts on the side over here to get the airbag out. And like I said, I don't know if I said this already, but we already removed the battery. So now it's just to do this, so let's go. Once you break it, it's loose. If you got a good grip on it, man, it gets slippery. You know, it's slippery when wet, so yeah. Oh, damn. And just like that, the airbag comes out. Now you just gotta disconnect them from these two, and then from here, I think. All right, so now we just gotta remove the nut in the middle. Just gotta bust this nut, and we could take off the OEM steering wheel. All right, so we just came back from the store. We need to get the 10mm hex nut for the bolt. We didn't have it. We're back now, so we're gonna go ahead and try to remove it. Now we're gonna use the little boy first, see if we got it. You know, I think I got it, but we'll find out. If not, we'll use the torque screw or the torque wrench. Anyways, here we go. Oh, okay, we're gonna use the big boy.
Motherfucker sound like butter. There it is.
Alright, so I got it off finally. It was a little bit of a bitch at first, but same. I'm off the whole week.
Must be fucking nice.
It is. Alright boys, big moment of truth. This is where the wheel comes off. So let's see if it comes off easy or if we have to abuse it. Oh, I guess the answer is easy. Alright, so we just installed the NRG steering wheel. Do I know if I did this right? Nope, but I'm assuming this is how it goes because the NRG's on the bottom and you can read it, and if it was on the top, it would have been upside down, so it makes sense.
So now we're gonna go ahead and install the actual quick release, which is also an NRG like I showed you guys already. All right guys, so the wheel's finally in. I have a button to put in, but I don't know if it's gonna fit. We'll see right now. Boom, easy, doesn't go anywhere. Yeah, it's pretty sick, fits nice. The only thing is it is closer to me, so I have to sit back more, but other than that, it's a nice steering wheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and put that button on, and I'm pretty much done. All right, time to honk the horn. Oh shit. Oh wait, connect the battery. Oh wait, it doesn't work because I didn't connect it. Duh. Alright boys, so this is where I'm gonna end the video today. I'm actually at the car wash right now. As you can see, I'm gonna wash the car because it's freaking filthy. I finally got the new piece, and you know, anytime you get a new car part, at least for myself, I like to wash my car. It just makes it seals the deal, basically is what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna go give this car a wash. But anyways, that's where I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it for you. This was, you know, I was editing this video and I was having a lot of fun, so you know, I just want you to know, like, I enjoy making these for you. So if you guys enjoy these, let me know down below. Also, I have a new Instagram. I'm gonna leave it right here in the screen, somewhere right here. And yeah, if you guys want to check out the build, more of the build, will go follow the Instagram. But other than that, that's gonna be it. It's your boy Chris, and I'll see you guys in the next video.